Welcome back, guys. Again, we're gonna draw some animals and birds in a very simple way that anyone can draw it. Now let's get into it. Draw a head and body part of a giraffe and do the protrusions, add in the fur and draw in the legs in a narrow rectangular design. Now we're gonna add the hooves of the giraffe and detail it with the tail and the fluff at the end. Do the polka dots and the final color them up. Draw a huge egg and draw even more 3 eggs connecting at the bottom. Then add number 11 at the top and the bottom, 2 small circles and a huge curve, and also do the same curve. Add number 3 and a fluffy tail and 2 ears. Bunny, add sleepy eyes and mouth and color them. Draw a huge number 3 and a little number 2 at the bottom and one more 2 at the side. Now join the top part of the tree to the bottom of the first 2 and draw 2 curves and detail the toes. Draw huge bars and detail the fingers. Now add in eyes and the pupil and a big smile and protruding teeth. And draw 2 ears. I'm sorry, it's not ears, it's dorsal plates. So draw a few of them on the body and detail a little line in between them. Now add in the stripes on its belly. Now we're gonna color it green completely on the body. So color it using a thick sketch and completely fill them with that. And add in the yellow colors on dorsal plates and light yellow on its body. Now we're gonna do some polka dots by adding a little small black dots and also some few little dots in the center and random parts of the body. It's a stegosaurus, right? Draw a huge number 9 and number 2 at the bottom, then connect the 9 with the bottom part of the 2. Draw in hands and feet, detail the toes and fingers. Draw in 2 sharp triangles resembling ears and cute eye and a little nose. Detail the ears with fluffy hair and a fluffy tail. Add in the 3D details of the tail and color it. Draw capital letter C and number 1 at the bottom. Extend the top part of the C up to the bottom and have a curved triangle. Make an upside triangle at the bottom and at the side and on the face. Add an eyes and a little cute wing on the side. Add in a little triangle and fluffy fur on the outer side. Color it with blushes. Is the unicorn a Pegasus? Add 2 small eyes and a little nose and number 3 horizontally and 2 trees on the sides. It's a bone. What else? It could be a dog. Add in the hanging ears and number 6, number 1 and add in the toes and detail. The important part is the tail. Do the brown patches on the random parts of the body. Add 2 small circles side by side and add in a curve joining them and even in the middle. Draw a huge number 2 and join the curve with that. Draw curved triangles and add in the paws. Draw cute eyes, little nose and a little mouth. Add in the whiskers. It's a lovely cat. Now extend the tail, detail the paws with some fingers and add colors of pink for its ears and blushes. Draw the lovely cute dots of black for its design. Draw an open triangle with a curve in the middle and draw another curve at the bottom and extend it up to the length of the triangle and do the same. Extend the triangle's length and join it at the bottom. Do a T shape and extend like a trouser. Add in 2 small triangles at the ends. Now add 2 adjacent big eyes, add in the pupils and draw a belly button and the curve. Draw eyebrows and the patterns on the trouser. It's Patrick. Thank you guys for watching this video.